In this video, I'll guide you through how to attach an email in Gmail so you can forward an entire message with all its details in just a few clicks. This is really useful when you need to share a full email thread with someone without copying and pasting or losing important context. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen where you can see your list of emails. This is where we'll begin creating the new message that will contain the attached email. Next, click the Compose button. You'll usually find this in the upper left corner of your Gmail window. When you click it, a new message window will pop up, typically in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your email draft where you'll add the recipient, subject, and any message you'd like to include along with the attached email. Now let's look at the first method, dragging and dropping an email into the draft. In your inbox, find the email you want to attach. You don't need to open it, you just need to see it in the message list. Click and hold down your mouse on that email, then drag it over to the Compose window. When your cursor is over the draft, release the mouse button. Gmail will automatically attach that email as a file, usually with a .eml extension. You'll see it appear at the bottom of your draft, just like a regular attachment. This drag and drop method is great when you can clearly see the email you want to attach in your inbox. If you need to attach several emails, you can repeat the process and drag multiple messages into the same draft, one after another. If you prefer another option, or if dragging and dropping is difficult on your device, you can use Gmail's built-in forward as attachment feature. Start by opening the email you want to attach. Once the email is open, look for the three vertical dots, usually near the top right corner of the message area. Click those dots to open the More menu. From that menu, select Forward as Attachment. When you click it, Gmail will automatically open a new Compose window with that email already attached as a file. You'll see the attachment at the bottom of the draft, and the subject line may be filled in for you, which you can edit if you like. If you want to attach multiple emails using this method, you can go back to your inbox, select several emails using the checkboxes, click the three dots above the message list, and choose Forward as Attachment, which will attach all the selected emails to one new draft. Once your email is attached, either by dragging and dropping or using the More menu, you're ready to send. Add the recipient's email address in the To field, type a clear subject line so the person knows what they're receiving, and include a brief message in the body explaining that you've attached an email for them to review. When everything looks good, click Send. That's all there is to it. You now know two simple ways to attach an email in Gmail so you can share full messages and conversations quickly and clearly.